Dear children, last day I taught you the sources of history. The source material for study of the modern period are categorized as primary and secondary. The primary sources comprise original documents and literary evidence, archaeological remains, audio, cassette, film, video, text, and incidents and interview of important personalities are also the primary sources of modern history. State and national archive treasure these sources. The secondary sources comprise of the work of great historians and scholars, articles, reviews, books and newspapers. Such books and written records are available in various libraries. Now, quick recap. Modern period began in Europe in 16th century and in India in the 19th century. मॉडर्न पीरियड भारत में कब शुरू हुआ? 18th सेंचुरी से हुआ. द मुगल एम्पायर ग्रेजुअली disintegrated into a number of autonomous states. The rising power of the Marathas was also critical by the British. The 18th century was a period of political turmoil and economic stagnation. The English and the French were arch rivals in trade and political, where the English emerged victorious between 1757 and 1857. The English stabilized their hold over India. The oppressive British rule in India had great social, economic and cultural impact. Contact with the West and English education introduced Indians to Western science, philosophy and thought. The aroused the spread of nationalism among the Indians. Dissatisfaction among various sections of society led to the revolt of 1857. The company rule came to an end and the authority now passed on to the crown. Struggle for independence started in 1905. Under the leadership of Gandhiji, our country got freedom in 1947 and become a sovereign democratic republic on 26 January 1950. Integration of state was done by Sardar Patel. Reorganization of state was done in various phases. Primary sources of history include original document, archaeological evidence, audio, cassette, film, etc. While books, magazine, articles, review, etc. are secondary sources. Thank you.